redneck snack where life is too short to be serious. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy. I just had a really bad realization, guys. So, a lot of times I don't like to review something that I've already reviewed. Alright, we know this. So I just, go ahead and tell y'all to go watch the old video. That's fine and dandy. But with some of these things, I've had in the past, but not reviewed. So it's like, because in my head, I don't want to do a review for this. I already know what it's like, and I'll just post about it. But then I kind of failed to realize that I didn't do a review. So there's a few things I haven't done a review on. I personally know what it's like, and you probably do too after it's been out multiple times. But it's like, whoa, hold your horses. You got to tell the people what you think. You got to do a video. So for future years, you have that video out there. It's documented and people know. So I already know what I think of the Pumpkin Pie Blizzard. I'd say it's pretty good. I probably would give it an 8 out of 10. But we're going to reevaluate it for the heck of it. And it's going to be alongside the pecan pie, which is new. Yeah, it's crazy. I can't believe I don't have a review on this. And I don't have a review on the chocolate dip strawberry, so I have to do that again. And that'll come down the line. And, I've posted about it. It's on my Instagram. But why didn't I do a review? I'm just like, But everything that's, I haven't done a review on, I need to do a review. I understand that. And I'm doing my best. I'm happy to have 1,000 subscribers now. That's great celebration. Woo! Let's get monetized. And now, now I'm at 1,000, I believe I could share those old videos too. So when, a drop day comes, where something's released, I just share it rather than going through the trouble of doing another review. So, save calories, save your life. That's just my point here. So, lots of whipped cream. I appreciate the worker. I'm in Hampton. Forget what the location is. It's beside Harris Teeter. But I'm in Hampton at this Dairy Queen, and she noticed that the whipped cream was having issues. There was something wrong with the whipped cream. So, yeah, she didn't quite flip them upside down all the way I noticed. But that's fine because, the ice cream probably wasn't as firm by the time y'all got new whipped cream on there. But I really do appreciate it. Whipped cream does have issues. I can tend to kind of melt. So I appreciate that she noticed the issue. Like, I didn't even have to point anything out. And I typically don't. I just drive off, get pissed, and then do the video with a bad-looking item. But she noticed. And so, I didn't put on any pressure on her to notice. But, before I got my food, she noticed. And I appreciate the effort and the work that y'all did to fix the problem before it came to a video. So, we got pumpkin pie and pecan pie. You can't really see anything but whipped cream, but it's cool. I'll show off everything I can when we get there. So yeah, I'm going to start with pumpkin pie just because everyone's probably going to jump for this one rather than pecan. And I know what it's like, so we're going to give it one more try. Go around. It's nice and orange. You can see that. Yep. One of my biggest pet peeves is when something's supposed to have whipped cream and the person forgets it. Yeah, this is enjoyable. I wish I was getting more pumpkin. That's not good. I just spilled some on me. I really do like the whipped cream though, with the pumpkin spice on it. Really good aesthetic. It's not as hearty of a pumpkin flavor as you might want, but the crust pieces, the pumpkin pie pieces really go in well. Someone said it kind of tastes like a Walmart pumpkin pie, which would make sense. I mean, you're buying pieces like you're buying cheesecake pieces or whatever. It's not going to be this high quality homemade good. It's going to be a very simple and enjoyable, dessert confection. You gotta buy cheap, sell high. Or buy low, sell high. So, honestly, I'm not as enamored by this as I usually am. Like, it's good. But I definitely would prefer some more pumpkin flavor, some more action. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably drop it to like a 7.5, maybe a 7. It's fair, but definitely could burst with more pumpkin flavor, just more texture. There's a couple, nice crunchy pie crust pieces, but other than that, it's kind of a letdown. All right, so now the pecan pie. This one's probably one of the most exciting new ones they've got. A lot of people will probably buy the Reese's Pieces. Someone got mad at me when I said Reese's. Get over it. I pronounce things how I want to. Reese's Pieces cookie dough. That was really good too. If I recommend anything, that's what I recommend. Speaking of recommendations, I forgot to ask y'all to do this, but smash that subscribe button. Like, comment, share this video. Check out my Instagram, Redneck Snack. This one feels like it's got a lot more crunch to it. It's candied pecan pieces, and I forget what else is in here. That was kind of chewy, whatever that was. That is shocking. I was thinking, oh, we're going to get this very crunchy Blizzard here. And while we do get some crunch, some of these pieces are really soft and chewy. These are kind of reminiscent of a pecan pie. I definitely think this burst with more, I'm sorry, someone's calling me. I need to just end that. Hopefully that works. There we go. But I definitely think this burst with more flavor and some more dynamic texture. And it's pleasant. It's definitely different. Now they do have another pecan blizzard that they always have. And I was like, how's that going to be any different than this? Well, I haven't had that other blizzard. This definitely reminisces a pecan pie. I don't think the other one would. That is pleasant. Very, very pleasant. Now, I can't say I would say it's the level of their Royal Ultimate Chocolate Blizzard that they just brought back, or the level of the Reese's Pieces Cookie Dough Blizzard. But this is really cool because there is some crunch, there is some chewiness. You do get a good amount of pecan. I'd say some caramel. Definitely like a caramelized flavor. So definitely a very enjoyable blizzard. Definitely prefer it to the pumpkin. But I think I would give it an 8.5. Because it's not something I absolutely love. But it's something I can, vibe with. So yeah, 8.5 for that. these are two pretty good blizzards. Maybe not my favorite of all time, but they do well. They do well. So if you're a pecan pie fan or a pumpkin pie fan, I don't think you'll be too disappointed. Of course, you could always just put a scoop of vanilla on your pie and be happy, I'm sure. But, you know, this is the opposite. This is taking a piece of pie and shoving it into ice cream. So, just depends on your preferences, but I had fun doing this review. I think I have one more new one to review, and then I'm gonna do the Choco Strawberry as well, just to cover my losses from last year. So, I hope you enjoyed this review. Please come back around. We got a busy week. We got Krispy Kreme, we got Crumble Cookie, got lots of things to talk about. So, I got plenty of desserts. Hopefully, I don't get a heart attack from this, but we are running low on non-sugary items to review, so hopefully some things are coming soon. Some things are dropping. I'll keep my eye out, and y'all keep your eye out too. All right, if you want me to review anything, just let me know. Other than that, I will see y'all around. Yay!